Hello everyone, this CPU comes with 8 gig RAM, then no processor. So I'm about to upgrade it to Core i7 processor 14 Gen and then to 16 gig RAM. Practicing like this, you unscrew this, then you drag out the casing. Then the next step, you remove this front casing like this. You raise it up, pull it out. The next step, you drag this up and drag it out. Then you remove the connector here. And the next step, how to remove this RAM, you press this here clip, you press it out, then the other side you press it out, then the RAM will be very easy to remove. Then if you are putting the other, this is the 16 gig RAM, I'm slotting it in now, then you gently put it inside the hole, then you clip it down so that the clip will automatically clip itself. That's it. Then you unscrew this. This is the processor part. You unplug the fan aside. Then if you want to put the processor, there's a pin down here, then you just you press it down, then press it to the other side and raise it up. Just like this. Now if you want to put the processor, look at this arrow here. This same arrow is on the motherboard, look at it here. So it's facing each other. Then you close it back, bring it down as well. So my processor is very dry. Then I will have to add the thermal paste. This is the thermal paste. The work of this make it cool when the processor got very hot. Just little, not too much. Then you plug the fan back. Then you screw it back. Make sure it's tight well. Then you couple your system back, one after the other, just the way you remove it. Voila!